Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials: battery, unlock, and accessibility open. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Zoom. Once there, use the two-finger double tap to see if Zoom is active. This immediately shows whether you're dealing with a settings glitch or a stuck gesture. If Zoom won't respond, force close the current app by pressing the digital crown to return home and try the gesture again. Make sure your fingers are centered and steady. False taps can fail to toggle Zoom. Now you're in the detailed controls where the fix lives. Tap Zoom settings to change the zoom level. Reduce it to 1, 5x or 2x if 3x feels unusable. Once done, enable follow focus so the view tracks what you tap, and turn on smart typing to prevent the keyboard from being obscured. If you need a temporary workaround, switch zoom region from full screen to window. This confines magnification and often restores use. Finish by restarting the watch. Hold the side button and slide to power off, then power on. Many zoom glitches clear with a reboot. Once back, recheck accessibility zoom and repeat the two-finger double tap. If issues persist, reset accessibility settings rather than all settings to avoid data loss. And if nothing fixes it, unpair and repair the watch from your iPhone as a final step. It rebuilds settings and usually solves stubborn software problems. Keep your backup handy before doing that.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.